What is up, YouTube? Welcome to another video, and today we are going to go over two things that I think are essential in any man's wardrobe, or I guess I should say any man's household when it comes to fashion. Those two things are men's grooming and pants or trousers. Now, I have been on record many times on this channel saying that I am extremely lazy when I dress and that I just wear sweatpants and a hoodie almost every single day. I've been like that for about 2 years. I've been going through a lot of personal stuff, and I don't know, man. I haven't really taken the time to really experiment with fashion like I should have. I really appreciate fashion, and I love and I admire seeing what other people do, but I haven't really tried myself, and that's something that I'm actually trying to change as of late. Another category that a lot of you guys have seen visually firsthand that I have lacked in over the last 2 years is men's grooming. Now, for me personally, I don't really grow a whole lot of facial hair, but I do grow a little bit on my cheeks and my neck, and it grows in kind of patchy, so I like having something where I can just shave that right off, feel good, smell good, and honestly, when you look good, you feel better about yourself. For me personally, I've kind of fell into a rut of just being really lazy with fashion, and I've gone through a lot over these last 2 years that I've never really shared on YouTube. But in regards to men's grooming, I am honored to present today's sponsor, actually, which is Dollar Shave Club. I've teamed up with Dollar Shave Club to offer you guys a little starter kit that you guys can have for $5. If you click that link, that top link in the description below, and you use that to sign up for Dollar Shave Club, starting out at only $5, you can have a monthly service or a monthly box sent to your house. In this little box, first of all, I just need to say, on this little flap, it says shave time, shave money. Does that not sound like something Cardi B would say? Anyways, in the box, you get a plethora of goods. You get a little newspaper, a little member's handbook that talks about the box and customizing what comes in the box. In the starter kit, you get, of course, the razor, and you get 4 replaceable razor heads. That's definitely a top-of-the-line razor, but that's not even the best part. To me, honestly, the best part is the shave butter. This stuff smells absolutely heavenly, and when you approach a lovely, beautiful female and she smells that delicious shave butter on your cheeks or your chin or your neck, I'm telling you, you're gonna get that phone number. Now, you have a bunch of other good stuff like the body cleanser. You get these 3 little one wipe Charlies. Both of those things are absolutely delicious and so freaking amazing. It does help out the channel, but it is also something that I genuinely believe in. I believe in so much, in fact, that I actually found out they have other products, and I spent my own money to get some hair gel. I had to stock up on hair gel because I'm running out of what I'm using, and I'm just using some generic stuff from Target. So I decided to kind of up my game a little bit and get some quality stuff from Dollar Shave Club. They have toothbrushes, they have toothpaste, they have pomade, they have hair gel, they have basically everything you could possibly think of when it comes to bathroom essentials. So make sure you check out that link, order a box, and then check out some of their other products as well. I feel like this was a good video to talk about men's grooming because I also want to talk about something that I think is absolutely essential in any man's wardrobe, which are pants. I think both those things are extremely important. Both those areas are areas that I've lacked in. And it is thanks to the Dollar Shave Club that I was actually able to acquire the other items that I will be showing off in today's video, which are some pants. Now, I got a lot of pants to show you guys. Oh, okay, so this is something, as I said, I feel like I have been lacking in for quite some time. Okay, this is actually really heavy. Now, I have a bunch of different pants in here. I have a bunch of different brands. I have Supreme, Undercover, Dries, I don't know if I'm saying that right, 424, Mark Neuer, just tons of freaking brands in here. Oh, I even have some Jabot and Mastermind. Now, I have a bunch of different brands to show you guys in this unboxing. If you guys want to see other brands that I like besides just Supreme all the time, of course, let me know by smashing that like button. We do got some Supreme in here, but we have some other stuff as well and other brands that I'm interested in. The first pair I will show you are going to be the Dries. I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right. I need to hit up Sanj and see if I'm actually even saying that right. I don't want to say it wrong, but Dries Van Noten? I don't know. Anyways, I was on a FaceTime call with Sanj, and me and him were talking about basically just what's important for a wardrobe, and me and him were both talking about how we feel like trousers or pants are the most important thing in a man's outfit. The reason for that is because pants can really make or break an outfit, and fitting is so crucial when it comes to denim. I shouldn't even just say denim because I have so many different kinds of pants in this little collection. So lately I have been copying a lot of different pants. I knew I wanted to make this video talking about men's grooming and pants just because I feel like those are the areas that I've really lacked in. So the first pair of pants that I want to show you guys are these right here. These are absolutely crazy. Now, I will say one of the things that I was kind of disappointed with is that these are actually not sewn in, but they look sewn in. Even close up, like from where I am at right now, they look sewn in, but it's actually the wash, and they do that with a lot of different stuff. So for example, if you look right here, they have these like belt loops that aren't actually loops. It's just the wash of the denim. On the back, you have these like back pockets. So you have the actual back pocket, but then you have another back pocket and then another back pocket washed into it. It's really weird. These are extremely unique. I don't know how I'm gonna pull these off, but it's just something that I kind of wanted to experiment with. And yeah, these were not cheap. I originally got the idea to get these because I saw a denim jacket that had this exact same pattern on Sanj's Instagram. He was actually selling it. So I bought these, I believe, for right around like $300 or $400. But those are a little bit louder, those are a little bit harder to pull off, and I think that that's just something that'll kind of make me or force me to experiment with my style or my outfit a little bit more. Now, a style that I personally feel a little bit more comfortable in is that like punk grunge style, just because that style is kind of home to the Pacific Northwest. Obviously, that's like the birthplace of grunge, and on top of that, it's just something that like it kind of resembles how I used to dress. So I did order these right here. These are some Undercover denim. These are skinnies, and they do fit really slim, but they look so sick. You have all these patches sewn in. It goes down both sides, but it also goes down the back as well, so you have separate patches sewn in on the back. Tons of patchwork. Retail on these was $1,000. However, I got these brand new with tags for $400, I think exactly $400. It might have been like $450, but it was like between $400 and $500. Now that's still really expensive, but half off of retail, brand new with tags. But I also bought some pants that are a little bit louder. These are also a little bit older. They are still Undercover, just like those last pants, but these are 18 years old. These are Undercover plaid pants. You have these like zipper little detailings. I love these zippers and these zippers because they actually serve a purpose. I'm not the biggest fan of these because they don't really do anything. They just unzip and show off your calf, I guess. But what's really cool about these, if you look on the knee, you actually have a sewn in star, and I think that's really, really dope. I'm gonna try to include footage of how all these pants fit on body. They all are super sick. I love these pants, and I don't really know how I'm gonna pull these off. These are going to be something that I feel like I would wear with like some black shoes and a black top. But like I said, I just want to get stuff and kind of experiment with my style and try new stuff, step out of the box a little bit, and you know, get out of my comfort zone. So next up, I think I want to show you guys these. Now these are Marc Neuer. I'm not sure if I'm saying that 100% correctly, but these are some cargos they recently dropped. I was super upset because I was in class and I was working on a project. I forgot to actually log onto my computer and purchase these, so I actually had to buy these on resale. I paid about $300 for these, and I was not excited, but I really, really wanted these in my collection. I love these pants. They're super nice. I actually believe I went with a size medium. Yep, size medium. It has this little belt. This belt is elastic, so you don't actually ever need to unclip it, but if you do unclip it, you just press down right there and pull. It's actually kind of cool that it comes with this belt. You have these cargo pockets right here. I'm not the biggest fan of the way they did the cargo pockets. They did a vertical seam going down. I don't know, sometimes when you're unzipping the cargo pocket, it's kind of hard to get into it, but other than that, I love these pants. They fit really well, and then of course, one of the things that's most notable about these pants is on the bottom right leg, you see this right here which says M plus RC. This is something that Marc Neuer is really known for doing, but they actually copied a very historic, popular brand back in the day when they did that, which is definitely Jabot denim. Now, there's only really one other YouTuber that I've seen rock Jabots, and that's TJR. Shout out to him. However, I will say, TJR, if you're watching this, I know you don't have these. These are way too rare. I'll be pretty shocked if you do have these, but yeah, these are insane. These are the all yellow Jabots. I've seen, I think, one pair on Grailed for like $600, and I don't even know if it's still there. These have been tapered and tailored quite a bit. I mean, if you guys know, Jabots normally fit really baggy. These actually fit somewhat tapered. I couldn't get the waist tailored, and the only reason for that is because the pockets are so big that if I brought this in, it's gonna just have these pockets essentially touching. And same with this right here. You can't really bring this in because then these pockets are essentially gonna be touching. So it's a 36-inch waist, which is way too big. However, if I wear it with a belt, I do think it actually looks appropriate. And if you look, it has the M plus FG right there on the Velcro strap. Now these actually unvelcro, and I think Jabots are really sick. I honestly kind of wish they would make a comeback. A lot of my friends used to wear these back in the day. I never really wore these too much, but I just know these were extremely popular by like all my homies that were into hip hop, and yeah, I don't know, it's just a really popular pant from back in the day, kind of like FUBU was. Now, 2 pairs of pants that you have actually seen me, well actually I think you've only seen 1 pair on my Instagram, which are these right here. I copped these off of the Essence sale recently. I'll leave a link to these if they are still available, but these are extremely sick. All black pants, and they just have 424 in red on the back of one of the legs. I think it's a nice little touch. It just kind of stands out a little bit more than your standard black pant. They fit really, really well, and I'm really starting to love 424 denim. I also copped these right here. These are some washed black jeans. If you look on the back of the pocket right here, you actually have a blue faded bandana sewn in to like half of the pocket. It's kind of interesting the way they did that. And then if you look at the bottom of the right leg, you'll see the same thing sewn in on the cuff or near the cuff. Really, really cool. It has this like faded look to it. It just kind of has like a grunge vibe, and I really, really like those little details. 424 has done a lot of bandana stuff, and I just think that they kill it. Like, I love that bandana pattern, and so it's dope to kind of incorporate this into my wardrobe. I almost bought a pair of blue jeans with the red bandana. However, I asked you guys on Instagram, and everyone voted no, so I passed on them. I believe I bought both pairs of those 424s for like $150 or $200. Not too much, but definitely a really good pair of pants. The all black ones with the red 424 writing on one of the legs was a little bit cheaper, and like I said, there will be a link to that in the description below if you want to purchase it. Now, some other items that I bought these off of Grailed, are these Mastermind Japan trousers. Now, these are a little bit tight in the waist, but they do fit. It has the Mastermind logo embroidered throughout the entire back of the pant. It's got that little metal detailing right here, and then on the front, if you look, it's just got nothing. It's just some beige trousers. So I just think it's kind of cool. Nice little dress pants that I can wear, but it has a little bit more flair than your standard little beige trousers. Now, I bought another pair of Mastermind denim, which include the Mastermind Rolling Stones collab. Now, these are just blue jeans. It has the Mastermind's Rolling Stone little logo right there, where it has the Rolling Stones logo with the Mastermind logo on the tongue. It's got that same logo embroidered, and then it has the logo as well on this little back leather panel. One thing about these pants is these pants fit really wide in the ankle, so I'm actually going to get these tailored to make them fit a little bit more like a straight-legged pair of denim. I'm not really a big fan of the boot cut, so yeah, we're gonna have to get those tailored for sure. Now, we are approaching the end. We have 3 pairs of pants. I got these right here, and these have like different like desert camo sewn in with different beige panels. And if you guys know, I bought another pair similar to this. This is the Mini Wars pant, except the other pair of pants that I bought has BDU camo sewn in with different like olive drabs or whatever. Yeah, really, really dope outdoor pant. And I actually do have a photo idea for this, and I just kind of wanted some different style trousers that I normally wouldn't wear to switch it up. And last but not least, we got the Supreme trousers. Now we have these. These are the Vibrations corduroy pants that dropped recently. I love these. I love corduroy. When I was a kid, I used to wear so much corduroy. It's so much more comfortable and lighter. I also love this print. I think it's a super sick like grunge print. It looks like something that like Marilyn Manson would wear or something. I just think this is so freaking dope, and I think a lot of people slept on these. You can still buy the jackets on Supreme, but I believe the pants are actually sold out now, or at least they are in the black and white colorway. And then an item that a lot of people said, oh, you can't even wear those. Those are gonna be uncomfortable to wear, blah, blah, blah. Personally, I think they look kind of sick, which are the Fox Supreme racing pants. Now, I understand these are dirt bike racing pants, but I actually think they look kind of cool to just wear as a pant. I kind of have an idea of some photos I want to do. They do have some like leather little paneling right here. Obviously, these are meant to actually dirt bike in, so yeah, they are size large, so maybe when I get the photo that I want in them, I may end up selling them, but regardless, it's just something to kind of switch up the style and switch up the you know, outfits. So yeah, that's a lot of different stuff. That's a lot of pants, and I've just been buying all of those as of recently. The moment that Dollar Shave Club reached out to me, I knew I wanted to do a video talking about pants, because I feel like this obviously isn't a men's grooming channel, but I just feel like both of those are areas that I've been lacking in, and both of those are areas that I want to work at actually trying a little bit harder. As I said earlier, if you support the channel and you want to see the channel continue to grow, make sure you check out the sponsor today, which is Dollar Shave Club. That will be the top link in the description. Definitely a service that I recommend. And even if you do not sign up for their box, for whatever reason, if you do not feel like paying $5 to get an awesome service, at the very least, check out their other products. I cannot recommend Dollar Shave Club enough, and let me know what you guys think of these pants that I've purchased. If you guys want to see how I style them, of course, follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is @thestarlife. That's gonna be somewhere on the screen and in the description below. I do plan on actually trying to switch up my style a little bit and work on some different stuff. So Hopefully you guys like it. Hopefully you guys like the outfits that I put together. I got some cool series coming up, so make sure you subscribe if you have not already. Smash that like button.
Challenging you guys right now. Can we please get 500,000 likes on this video?
It would not be a proper Jacob Star video if I did not include a little clip of the man himself, H3H3, the Fupa God, in my video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. I appreciate you so much from the top and bottom of my heart. And as always, keep living the star life. Peace the fuck out. Come